Friends, welcome back to the lab session in Python. Today we are discussing about string indexing and slicing. So friends, what is string indexing? String indexing is nothing but fetching a particular character from a string at a particular index. And what is slicing? Slicing means fetching a substring or a series of characters from a particular string. So for any string, the first letter will be at 0th index, the second at 1 index, the third at second index till it will go on till the end of the string. As the positive index are present, so are the negative index. The last character will have the index -1, that is the negative index. The last but 1 will have -2. The last but 2 second character will have -3. So this is how indexing happens in strings. Now let's say I'm having st1 equal to Pythagoras. So the pth letter will be at 0th index and it goes on till s, and the s index will be of 9. And similarly in the negative index, s will be of -1 and it will keep on decreasing till it comes to the beginning of the string. So friends, now let's see how string indexing works. Suppose I say st1 of 0. Now if I run the code, I get the value p, because and the syntax for this string indexing is string, square brackets and the index number. So here my string is st1 and within the square brackets I've given the index value, which is 0. So at the 0th index p will be returned. Now if I say st1 of 1 and run the code, the second letter, that is y, would be displayed. And similarly, now if I say st1 of 9, the last character s would be displayed. Now if I run the code, the last character s would be displayed. Similarly, let's see the negative index. Suppose I specify st1 of -1. So the last character would be displayed, that is s. Now if I say st1 of -5, run the code, g would be displayed. So let's see, at the -5th index we are having the value g. Now let's check -10, it should return p. Now if I say st1 of -10, then the value p would be returned. So this is for indexing, that is index value can be retrieved at a positive integer value or a negative indexing value. And now suppose for my positive index it ranges from 0 till 9. So what happens if I give st1 of 10? Let's see what happens. Now if I give st1 of 10 and execute the code, Python will give an index error indicating the string index is out of range. So this number is out of range because the string ranges from 0th index till the 9th index. 10th index is not present, so it will give an index error. Similarly, let's see for the negative index, it is spanning between -1 till -1 to -10. Now if I give st1 of -11, let's see what happens. st1 of -11 and execute the code, it's giving the same error, that is string index out of range. So this is how the indexing works in Python. Now let us go into the string slicing. String slicing. String slicing is nothing but fetching a substring from the main string or series of characters from the main string. So what is the syntax for this, friends? The syntax is string square bracket start colon end colon step. Step in this case is an optional field value. It's not a mandatory value, but start and end are mandatory for string slicing. So now let's see how it works. Now, for example, if I say st1 of 2:5, so I'm giving the start position as 2 colon end position as 5. So the ending position will take whatever value is there in the end position minus 1 would be the value till which the string will be retrieved. So if I give 2:5, it will start from 2th position and end at 4th position, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4th position. So it will start at the 2nd position and end at 4th position. So THO would be retrieved. Now if I run the code, THO has been retrieved. Now let us take one more example. st1 of 3, 6. So from the 3rd position, it will take till 6 minus 1, that is 5th position. So 3rd, 4th and 5th position characters would be retrieved. So 3rd to 5th, if we check, I'll be getting HOG. So if I run the code, you get the value. Sorry, it should be presented in colon, not comma. Now if I run the code, I get the value HO and G. So now in the similar fashion, we can use slicing based on negative values. Suppose I give minus 5 colon minus 2. So it will span from minus 5 till minus 2 minus again minus 1. So it becomes minus 3. So it will span from minus 5 till minus 3. So let's check out. Minus 5 is G till minus 3. So till AR. So GAR would be printed. So now if I execute this particular code, GAR has got printed on the console. So this is how slicing works in Python. Now let's check out by taking an step value as well. So if I give 0, 6, 2. So 0 is the starting position, 6 minus 1 is the ending position, that is 5 is the ending position, and it has to skip one element and fetch the second element. So if I run this particular code, I get, you have to specify within colon. So now if I run this code, I get PTO. So P is the starting position, it will skip Y, it will take T, it will skip H, and it is taking O. So PTO. So it is taking PTO value. Now there are some other conditions. Suppose I say st1, I don't specify my starting position, but I say my ending position is 6. So the string from the beginning will be calculated. It will take from 0th position till 6 minus 1, that is the 5th position. So if I run the code, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this particular code has been displayed. Now if I say st1 of, if I specify 2 is 2 and I don't specify my end position, so from the 2nd position it will print till the end of the string. So now if I run the code from the second position is having a value t. It will print till the end of the string. So these were some of the examples of slicing. Now let's look into the length function in strings. If I want to know the length of my string, that is st1, I can just give print length of st1. Now if I run the code, I get the value 10. So you can check it out, friends. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. The length of the string Pythagoras is 10. So these were some of the examples for slicing, indexing and length of the string. If you have any doubts, please do write it out in the comment section. If you like my video, please click on the like button and please do subscribe to my channel to get notifications of the new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.